If your home or business floods, for your safety and ours, a licensed electrician should inspect your electrical system and make any necessary repairs before your electricity can be restored. While you wait for help, remember, never replace a fuse or touch a circuit breaker or any electrical equipment with wet hands, or while standing on wet or damp ground. And areas where water has risen above electrical outlets where wiring is or may have been underwater are especially unsafe. Also, please don't touch wet or damaged electrical equipment, such as transformers, circuit breakers, fuses, or even wiring. And if your appliances have gotten wet, please don't plug them in until they can be checked by your electrician or your appliance technician and found to be safe. If you experience flooding, get the right professionals on the job to help you recover safely. For more storm safety tips and information, please visit us at tampaelectric.com/storm center. Stay safe.